What's up, guys? It's your girl Stephanie. STEPH delivers. You know. All right, guys, I got a funny story. Don't roll on the floor laughing. You probably fall over in your chair if you hear this, actually. Funny story. So I go to this restaurant to pick up crab cakes and some caprice, whatever they are. The restaurant's called Chow. C-A-I-O, C-I-A-O, whatever. Say no spelling bee. The instructions that the customer has on the app to pick up the delivery, it says, please get 2 horchatas. Now, if you don't know, horchatas are Mexican drinks, okay? I'm half Mexican. Horchatas are Mexican drinks, all right? So, I get to her house, and I was like, I saw 2 horchatas on there, but I knew it wasn't for this restaurant. Okay, hear me out, new people. And she was like, that is so funny. The app won't let me take it off. She said that the last time she ordered food, it wasn't from a Mexican restaurant either. All right? The instructions were still on there because she said she can't remove the instructions. She said, but the last time she ordered food, the driver came and delivered her food. But the driver actually went to a Mexican restaurant as well to pick up 2 horchatas. Hilarious. Are you hearing me? The driver picked up food from the restaurant she actually ordered from. Then they drove to a Mexican restaurant to pick up 2 horchatas. Get out of here with that, y'all. New people, if you're at an Italian restaurant and the instruction says, get me 2 horchatas, obviously the Italian restaurant's not going to have horchatas. Call the customer. If you don't know, now you know. If you don't know, if you're confused, just call the customer. Don't ever do that. All right. Woo! I feel sorry for the driver, though. If you're watching this video and you did that, I'm sorry. Don't you ever let that happen again. Till next time, y'all. God bless. God loves you. Be safe.